Right now, someone with zero coding experience is building AI agents that query databases, send emails, and control browsers. All because of one protocol most developers have not heard of. It is called MCP, Model Context Protocol. And by the end of this, you will build your own AI agent from scratch using it, step by step. But first, you need to understand why this matters. Because what happens at the 7-minute mark changes how you think about AI forever. Your large language model is trapped. It can think, it can reason, it can write poetry and debug code. But it cannot do anything real. It cannot check your inbox. It cannot pull data from your database. It is a brain in a jar. MCP breaks the jar open. Think of it like USB. Before USB, every device needed its own cable, its own driver. MCP does the same thing for AI tools. One standard, any model, any tool. Plug and play. Here is the architecture. You have a host. That is your AI app. Could be Claude Desktop, Cursor, or something custom. The host talks to MCP servers. Each server is a small program that exposes tools and data. Your AI discovers those tools automatically, then decides when to use them. No hard-coded logic, clean and modular. Now let us build one. What you see next will shock you with how little code this takes. Step 1. Pick your stack, Python or TypeScript. I am going with Python. Install the MCP SDK. One command, pip install MCP. Done. Step 2. Create your MCP server. Just a Python file. You define tools as functions. Each tool gets a name, a description, and a schema for inputs. The description matters. That is what the LLM reads to decide if it should call your tool. Bad description means the agent ignores it. Good description means the agent fires it at exactly the right moment. Step 3. Implement the logic. Say you want your agent to read files. Write a function called readFile. It takes a path as input, returns the contents. Decorate it with the MCP tool decorator. Your tool now exists. Step 4. Run the server. One line. The SDK handles transport. JSON-RPC over standard input-output. Your server is live, waiting for a host to connect. Step 5. Connect the host. Open Claude Desktop. Go to Settings. Add your MCP server path. Restart. Claude now sees your tool. Ask it to read a file. It calls your function. Returns the contents. Your agent just touched your real file system. No API keys. No cloud. Running locally. Now pause. Because this is where most people stop. They build one tool and think that is it. But what comes next is the real reason MCP exists, and most tutorials skip it entirely. You are not limited to one tool. Stack them. Add a tool that writes files, one that lists directories, one that searches contents by keyword. Now your agent has full file system access from a single conversation. Multiply that. Install a Postgres MCP server. Your agent queries your database in real time. Install a Slack server. It messages your team directly. Install a browser server. It navigates web pages and extracts data on command. Each server is independent. Each one adds a new superpower. The agent reads available tools, understands the goal, picks the right combination on its own. Emergent behavior from structured interfaces. And it works shockingly well. Security. Pay attention here. Each MCP server runs as its own process with its own permissions. Your database server connects read-only. Your file server accesses one directory only. The LLM never sees passwords or tokens. It calls tools. Tools handle auth. You control the blast radius at every layer. The mistake most people make. They build one giant server with 50 tools crammed in. Do not do that. Keep servers small. One server per domain. Files, database, email, Slack. Small servers are easier to test, secure, and replace. Composability beats complexity every time. Your build order. Today, build a file system server. Tomorrow, add a database server. Day 3, connect Slack or email. By day 4, you have an agent that reads your data, makes decisions, and reports back to your team. No framework needed. No bloated dependencies. Just MCP servers and a host. The community has built over 1,000 servers already. GitHub, Stripe, Figma, Linear, Google Drive, vector stores, web scrapers. Find the server, install it. Your agent gains that skill instantly. This is not theory. People are shipping real products with this right now. Support agents that pull order data and issue refunds. Research assistants that save notes to your drive. Internal tools that alert your team when something breaks. One protocol changed the game. Your AI is no longer a chatbot. It is a system that acts in the real world. The only question left is what you build with it. Thank you.